Right after pressure washing, we run into this issue.
We gotta wrap this thick hose up. The irritating part. I can definitely picture like a reel.
To wrap these up, keep them nice and neat and easy to carry when we go on to our next project.
We got what we wanted. Shout out to Meko for sending us two 50-foot pressure hose reels. They even sent a surface cleaner that we'll put to the test in our next video. But let's see how these reels work.
I'm loading up this reel right here with the cable. It didn't come with instructions, so I'm guessing this is the whip hose, of course, that'll connect to the pressure washer to feed water through here, and then they come out here and then get connected to the hose. So this is my hose I got connected. So now I'm about to feed this through this hole. I had to stretch out this line all the way, then start reeling it up. Here, I'm gonna screw this on top of probably a flat piece of wood or on top of the power washer, but I'm just reeling it up for now.
I guess that's what the glove's for, huh?
And the base. That's definitely a whole lot better. We over here on the pressure washer, so we could mount it right here on that bar right there and then screw that boy down. I mean, I think that's a cool spot for it. It's right on the middle, it ain't gonna be too heavy. And then we also put it on the face of this joint right here, but I think the other part might be a little stronger, but this will work too. But I have to install another part on here, but didn't have any instructions. It kind of went off my brain, and then we went to go look at the Amazon picture. But it is a clip that'll go here, that'll hold this down a little tighter. To put our quick connect on here, I'm gonna have to tape this up first so we don't get no water leaks. And they do give you the tape too, to tape up your connection, so that's good. I really got some better tape that I'll be using. It's called Monster. This here is like, you see how it's breaking, but it'll work. We're gonna do like 3 wraps. But with this tape is way thinner, so I like to do some extra wraps. And we're gonna take our quick connect, push this bad baby on there. Handy dandy pliers, make sure it's tight. And then whoop, this whip down and connect. So that's how this is gonna get its water. When we ready to use this joint, on our ends of our hose, see we got another quick connect. This is gonna connect to our gun. That's gonna go in there like so. And then we can run 50 feet. And be easy to reel it right back up on this reel instead of having a big ball wrapped up on here and just in the way, kind of like how that water hose is. I'm currently installing the arm here one. So you got these bolts here, they come with these washers. There's also a flat washer in here too. So we got flat washer, these is the nuts that you pretty much need. I'm gonna put the flat washer under here first and then hit it with that one and then allow it to smash that boy down. Slide that bolt through there. And this bottom plate has a little groove in it for installing it on a pipe like this here. So that's perfect. Push that bolt down through there and then come through with the washers and put the nut under there. This is like one of them locking nuts, a little blue thing on there to pretty much slow the screw down as you tighten it. But we're gonna have to tighten this all the way up. Maybe, because it might not fit in our truck. You see, I need to tighten it down because if not, oh, hey. Never mind, I'm about to speak too soon. I'm gonna go ahead and put this last screw in. I'm ready to get the power wash on the deck. I gotta find the washer drop. Eureka. All right, the last bolt we're gonna drop in there, drop down. Easy way I'm putting these washers on, put them on just like this. Easy boof. And then whoop, slide them right up under there. All right, got that on there. Then our hose, which is here. We're gonna bring this bad baby down. And bam, it's gonna get connected right here. Ooh, almost ready to go. All we gotta do is hook up our water, handy dandy water hose. We're gonna take this connection off. Don't need this. Get that thing out of here. Right into the side of here. Twist. The water is not shutting all the way off. So water should start dripping out of here, which is cool. It'll allow the air to get out of this line. See, I went ahead and installed this, so now it's nice and tight. So now we can grab our wine. Got our quick connect on there. Bam. And guess what? Now we can just pull.
Ooh, I love that. Uh-oh.
You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way.